How to add music to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can add music to your Instagram story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading to your app store. In your search box, typing in Instagram, go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you're logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. First of all, in order to add music to our story, we will go ahead and try to upload a simple story. So let me just go ahead and then select a random story from any of this list over here. Once I select a random story, let's say that I want to add a music to this particular story. It's very simple to add a music to this story. All you have to do is tap on the sticker icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the sticker icon, you'll find this button which says music. If you don't find music, you can also use the search box to find it. So select music once you find the option. Once you find music right over here, you can go ahead and select any of the music which you want to add to your story. So just go ahead and select any of these options. And you can also go ahead and add a lyric to it if you want, or you can change the style right over here just like that, or you could change any of the text in the karaoke or the sing-along format. Once you do so, hit the done button over here, or if you don't want this, instead what you could also do is you could just go ahead and select any of these toggles or these options right over here. So as you can see, it will show up in this kind of sticker. Now what you can do is you can actually minimize it to the top corner of the screen so that it's not really visible, and now you can just go ahead and post it to your story. And this is simply how you can add music to your Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.